How to live with a snoring partner. Are you finding it hard to sleep through the loud, disruptive snores of someone else? It can be a bit alarming to have to convince someone that their snoring is preventing you from getting the rest that you need, but if you come to the table armed with solutions, the conversation could go much easier. Most people snore during their deepest sleep while lying on their back. Usually, it is not a problem unless the snoring disturbs their sleeping partner, in which case, they will probably be awakened and be asked to roll on their side. This action is probably the first and oldest cure for snoring. One of the most effective ways to stop snoring is to cease alcohol use. When you consume alcohol, the muscles in the back of your throat become too relaxed. This state of relation can increase your chances of snoring. If you really want to drink, only have one or two. If you regularly take prescription muscle relaxers or pain medications, you might be faced with chronic snoring. If at all possible, avoid taking these medications in the hours before you get ready for bed. These drugs cause your muscles to become more relaxed, especially in your airways. As a result, it becomes more difficult to breathe, which leads to snoring. If you often find yourself snoring at night, avoid drinking alcohol. Alcohol can suppress the central nervous system, thus causing all the muscles in your throat to fall into a relaxed state. Your jaw muscles will relax too, increasing any snoring problems. Only drink in moderation, if at all, and you will avoid this problem. As you can see, there are a lot of things that could be causing the snoring, and there are just as many if not more possible solutions. Armed with this information, you can have a much more productive discussion about how to fix the problem so you can both sleep easy tonight. Would you like to learn this easy, throat exercise, that eliminates your snoring tonight? Visit secretsnoringhack.com. Want to stop snoring tonight? This simple, 3-minute exercise, permanently eliminates snoring, as soon as tonight. Visit secretsnoringhack.com to learn all of this, and more. Link in the description.